two, now to one. Here's Jordan. Yes. He's all over for some confidence from Buzzer in game one of the last seven. And it goes left. He knocked it in at the buzzer. Ball clear. How many times has he done? Jordan with 4 seconds. Fake, shoot.
Strip got it back. 3, 2. Michael falls, fires.
Yeah! Does it again!
The Bulls win. He looks at the crowd. At the buzzer. This crowd is stunned.
And he comes in and comes away. The Bulls have it. Here comes Michael Jordan on the drive. 5 seconds. Jordan on the drive. Out of the lane. 18 clear. Yeah!
Michael Jordan. The inbound to Cartwright to Jordan. Time winding down. Michael for 3. Yeah! 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 Yes! 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 A winner! Unbelievable!
7-second disparity between the shot clock and the game clock. Jordan, yes! And it counts!
He scored! He threw it up off balance and went in! Oh my! Michael with his fifth switch near midcourt!
3 seconds. Jordan up shot.
Oh yes!
Win. Michael Jordan saves the day. The Bulls offense down in the mud.
Wizards need the bucket for the win. Jordan the jumper.
Michael against Russell, 12 seconds. 11, 10. Jordan a drive. Hangs. Fires. Yes! 86 with 5 and 2/10 left. And now they're one stop away. Oh my goodness.
Racing the clock. Jordan for the win. Michael Jordan rings a 2 and the Bulls.
The inbounds pass comes into Jordan. Here's Michael at the foul line. A shot on Elo.